the clashing thing.
Cause 1 minute when they on the side,
the next minute when they on the next side. It simply means the same people that want clap for you are the same people that want boo for you. They are looking at a whole party. Anybody come from Mumbai must have looking at here right now. All of the family must have been looking at the sky and tell them the man.
Parties like a